Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 19th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars Sudoku and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Well, actually, 0 stars. Well, two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. It's binary time, yeah. Binary number. This will be number 6621. Yeah, 6621. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted 17 printed digits. Yeah, 17. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. We have a double one here. Here no, there no. Double one here. Here no, there no. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 4th one there, we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so rest out O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.